This is a new game called Cats that I just wanted to play because my friends at my school said I want me to play it, but I don't know what's happening right now. Who's gonna win this one? Just to tell you, I'm not playing. Dang, we all thought that the other girl was gonna win, but no. Hi, Red Owner. Watching the World Championship? Yep, sure am. Dreaming of Particto, whatever, why are you saying big words? My present will help you make dream come true. Ooh, cat footprints. This game's called Cats. Ooh, I don't know what cat stands for, but it's just called Cats. Something. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sick. Ooh, my birthday? It's my birthday? Oh, come on, that little tiny truck. Yes, it's your first machine, so you can. Tawny, give back that machine. You hit Jack. That snake and his gang, they want to take your machine. Wait, what? No, don't take my machine. I didn't steal it. I just took it from some bad guys. That's called stealing. To give to someone better. So let's defeat some gangsters. First of all, arm your machines with a weapon. Okay. Clicked it. Great. Now, you're ready to fight? My guys will destroy your garage right now. No, you will not destroy our garage, because we're going to destroy you before you destroy my garage. I had this garage for like 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. I'm just kidding. Your job is just to assemble the best build and enjoy the results. Okay, I'm scared because I'm much smaller. Oh. I'm doing something. I want to crash you into the wall. Ah! Booyakasha. Duh. You won. That's what I said on the newspaper. I'm not just smart. I said I won on a newspaper. Okay, so it's loading. Tap to edit. You think that's all? Get them boys. Snake sends his Hannemans first, as usual. Challenger. I wanted to edit, but nah, guess not. Fight. Let's own him. So you both have the same stuff. Oh, it's the wheels. His wheels are horrible. No, he's back up. Oh yeah, blew him into pieces. Uh-oh. Ow. Oh no. Ah! What? You won one fight. Oh man. What the? I wasn't ready for that. That did not go as well as I expected. I know. But I have something that can help us. I don't know if I was supposed to lose, but if I lost, he might give me something good. Okay, yeah, let's edit. A forklift. It'll help you flip your opponents upside down. It also adds health to your machine. Oh, that's a lot of health. Okay, challenge. Let's defeat these punks. Let's do this. Rematch. Yeah. Yeah, booyah! That's what I'm talking about. That's how you do it. Yeah, that is how I do it. Those were just gang rookies. Now you will see some real war cats. Oh, dang. We need to make your machines deadlier. I have a box of new parts. Let's open it. Ooh, a new machine. Ooh. All the stuff. Collect prizes. Powerful parts. Let's go check them out. Have 1,000 gold? Dang. But no gems. Dun, 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 dun. Let's do this. Let's upgrade. Just add some wheels. Let's add that. Let's add it. That. What else can I add? That. Not enough power. Okay, I'll take that away. Okay, anything better than 2? Nah, sorry this. Anything like this. Okay, this how we'll do. Gotta switch this to right here. Wait, but I need a flipper. I'll take it away. Let's add that. And that. Oh man, I can't. Oh, let's do this. Okay, I think I'm ready. I'm gonna own these punks. Oh, come on. Come on. No! What? Catch. I bet you I'm gonna beat this guy though. Yeah, flip him over. Nice. I'm on one fight. Oh, come on. I'm bad at this. I can't even make a simple machine. Gotta edit. Let's try a different one, a different strategy. Try parts with more stars. Don't forget to install wheels for machines to move. Okay, so anything that has 2 stars, let's take that out. Let's get that out the way. That gave me 105. Now I must have a winning advantage. I have everything that has 2 stars. Okay, so let's get this rematch on. Come on, let's do this. We can do this. Oh dang, he does 18. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Booyah! Okay, come on. Let's destroy this catfish. Dang, dang. No, he's doing more damage. No, no. Come on. Yes! Yay! They won. Booyah. My best fighters will destroy you. We'll see you in the next episode. Okay. Now we're in real trouble. So we'll need more parts. Meet me in the garage. Okay. But after this, we're going to have to move on. And we're going to have to see you probably tomorrow. Meet about 3 videos today. I can't fight right now. I have about a minute. Well, I guess we can use one more fight. Come on, come on. We don't have enough for this. Hurry up, it's loading. Yeah, I don't need to get up finish this. Well, 2 more wins, probably tomorrow. I'll see y'all next time on Red Owner. Bye. No, what are you doing?